Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 41. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. What is the function of the kidney? Helps eliminate water and waste from the body. Bean-shaped structure that are located at the back of the abdominal cavity just under the diaphragm. Kidneys. Name the three layers of the kidneys. The first one is renal cortex, the second renal medulla, and the third renal pelvis. Renal cortex. It is the outer layer of kidney that is composed of approximately 1 million nephrons. They are tiny individual filters of the kidney. Renal medulla. The inner layer of kidney. Renal pelvis. Innermost portion of kidney. What do the kidneys do? Filter the blood, reabsorb needed materials, and secrete wastes and excess water in urine. The immune system protects the body against invading pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists. The immune system includes lymphatic system, which includes the lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, and lymph nodes, as well as the red bone marrow and numerous leukocytes, white blood cells. The body's general immune defense include the skin, ciliated mucous membrane, glandular secretions, gastric secretions, and normal bacteria populations. Skin. It is the intact epidermis and dermis from a formidable barrier against bacteria. Ciliated mucous membranes. Cilia sweep pathogens out of the respiratory tract. Glandular secretions. From exocrine glands destroy bacteria. Gastric secretions. Gastric acid destroys pathogens. Normobacteria population. Compete with the pathogens in the gut and vagina. What mobilizes white blood cells and chemical reactions to stop infection? Phagocytes and inflammation responses. Three types of white blood cells that form the foundation of the body's immune system are macrophages, T cells, and B cells. Macrophages. Phagocytes that alert T cells the presence of foreign substances. T cells. These directly attack cells infected by viruses and bacteria. B cells. These cells target specific bacteria for destruction. Where are leukocytes or white blood cells are produced? Red bone marrow. What other cells also contribute to the body's defense with macrophages, T cells, and B cells? Memory cells, suppressor T cells, and helper T cells. Leukocytes can be classified as 1. Monocytes. Those are macrophages and dendritic cells. Second, granulocytes. Here we have the neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. The third group, the T lymphocytes. The fourth group, the B lymphocytes. And the fifth, the natural killer cells. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.